Install today, put a PTZ right there, put another PTZ over here, and it has auto tracker. We're covering the whole church, and we set up Pro Presenter here, and the console of the church is here. There, it's a digital console, and all these cameras are basically leading into this room where we actually are able to stream and switch our cameras. Here. You can also show Pro Presenter here as well, and we can show pastor's name, as well as name of the church, and then we have audio right there. So this is LPH. Hope you guys enjoy.